Today, we're diving deep into the world of hardwood versus laminate flooring. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your home, this video will help you decide which option is right for you. Hardwood flooring. Let's start with hardwood flooring. Known for its timeless beauty and durability, hardwood is a classic choice for many Seattle homeowners. From oak to maple to cherry, there's a hardwood to suit every style. While hardwood can be more expensive up front, it often adds value to your home. However, it requires regular maintenance, such as cleaning and refinishing. Laminate flooring. Laminate flooring is a more affordable alternative to hardwood. It's available in a wide variety of styles and colors, and it's relatively easy to install. Plus, it's resistant to scratches and stains. However, laminate flooring can't be refinished, so it may not last as long as hardwood. Durability comparison. Regarding durability, hardwood is generally considered more resistant to scratches, dents, and water damage. However, laminate flooring has improved significantly in recent years and can be a great option for high-traffic areas. Maintenance comparison. Hardwood flooring requires regular cleaning and periodic refinishing. Laminate flooring is easier to clean but can't be refinished. Both types can be affected by Seattle's humidity, so choosing flooring that can withstand the climate is important. Cost comparison. The cost of hardwood and laminate flooring can vary depending on the type of wood or laminate, the size of your space, and the installation cost. Generally, hardwood is more expensive up front, but it may pay off in the long run if you plan to sell your home. Aesthetics comparison. Ultimately, the best flooring choice for you depends on your personal style and preferences. Hardwood offers a classic, natural look, while laminate can provide a more modern or contemporary feel. Whether you choose hardwood or laminate, both options can add value and beauty to your Seattle home. Consider your budget, lifestyle, and aesthetic preferences when making your decision.